Hey guys, what's up? It's Brooklyn and welcome back to Brooklyn's Life. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys perfume oils that I purchased. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the dupes that I think they're for, or something that you can pair with a few of these perfume fragrances that I have. So if you're new here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. When you do those three things, you really help out this channel and you support my dreams of making videos on the internet. So let's get started.
Trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
So fragrance oils are one of my favorite things to use to ensure that my fragrance combo lasts all day. Fragrance oils or perfume oils are highly concentrated and they last a lot longer than the typical perfumes. So the lasting power is crazy. I was able to pick up a few of these bottles at my local market. I'm sure like in your city there are like markets where like different vendors and stuff go. That's where I picked up mine from, but you could always order these online. I got like a really good deal shopping at the market because these all cost me $1.99. So I'm very excited. The shopper in me is super happy to hear that. So let me share with you guys the first one that I picked up. So first up we have this perfume oil. This is the scent Roses. So just looking at it, I can't tell if the brand is called Crown Perfume or if the brand is called Al Rahab. I'm so sorry if I'm like butchering. My pronunciation is gonna like absolutely kill whatever I'm saying on these bottles. But Al Rahab is also a website that you could find all of these on, and you could also order them from there. They're a little bit more expensive than what I paid for in person, but if you don't have like a market near you, you could always just order online. This is in the scent Roses, so it's literally just straight up rose. So along with the rose, it's definitely a little bit on the powdery side. It's not sweet, it's honestly just straight up rose. So if you have a floral scent or a really pretty rose scent that you want to just amp up or make last a lot longer, definitely pick up a rose one. I honestly think that it's such a necessity to have. I'm usually like a floral girly, but I'm more so getting into rose, but I would definitely 1000% pair this with my Mugler Angel Nova. So these two I've been rocking a lot lately because obviously they both have rose notes. I think they complement each other very well. So Angel Nova is a sweet and obviously floral scent. It definitely has notes of rose, which is why I love this combo, but it's also slightly fruity. There are notes of raspberry as well, so it's one of my favorites, and I love to wear this as like a daily, you know, if I have like a special event to go to daytime wise, or just, you know, I just want to smell really, really good. I go with Angel Nova. These two together, I went to the mall, because you guys know I stay at the mall. Like, if I do nothing else all day, I will go to the mall. Like, going to the mall is my happy place. But you guys already know I woke up semi-early. I think I applied at probably like 9 a.m. I was at the mall all day, as I do. I think I finished up probably like 8 p.m., 9 p.m. I'm leaving. Someone's running after me. They're like, "Excuse me, miss, I just need to know what perfume are you wearing?" And I felt so happy. Like, it's these two, this combo right here. I even put my mom onto it. Like, she wore the same combo the same day. It lasts all day. Trust me. So buy this if you have any rose or floral scents that you want to amplify. These two together, beautiful. So this perfume oil on the Al Rahab website is $6.98. And if you didn't know, it's literally a roller ball. So it's pretty easy to apply and there's no alcohol. And you would just roll it onto any pressure points like here, here. Just don't get it on your clothes and you're good. And you don't need to put too much with this. Like, you know how I go crazy when I'm spraying perfume? I'm like, you don't need to do all that. Like, just a little bit. A little goes a long way. You don't want to go crazy, okay? I'm super happy I picked up this rose one, but let me share with you guys my next favorite. Oh, you guys are gonna love it. So I didn't know when I picked this up, but it's pretty popular on TikTok, and this is the Golden Sand perfume oil. So if you love a good vanilla musk scent, then this is for you. I absolutely love how like woody it is. It's definitely more mature, but it's sweet and it has almost like notes of caramel in it. It's beautiful. I love it, and as soon as I smelled it, I knew exactly what I wanted to pair it with. In my opinion, I wouldn't say this is a dupe, but I think this pairs well, really, really well with Mugler Alien Goddess. I'm just now noticing that I'm using two Mugler perfumes, It's literally just a coincidence, but I really, really, really love these two together. And I love how like the bottles actually match. Like, I don't know who decides like the color of like the bottles of what perfume goes into what bottle. Like, I just feel like gold just fits. It just fits. Like, I'm sure it's a whole like psychological, like I'm sure there's like a reasoning, and I'm sure someone has a whole job doing this, but like I commend whoever did that, because honestly, like gold, it really does work. But if you didn't know, Angel Goddess by Mugler, one of my favorites, a very beautiful, pretty, mature scent. Sweet but mature. Some of the fragrance notes are vanilla, bourbon, cashmere, powdery. It's definitely a sweet, like musky scent. It's something that you need to smell in person if you're not sure if you like musky, mature scents. But this is a beautiful fragrance. This is a good, like, going out. Like, you're going out, you have an important event, you're going on a date. This is something that you're going out. This is not an everyday, regular perfume. At least not for me. Like, I know, like, sometimes I'm like, I'm gonna wear whatever I want when I want. But, like, you know, this is a nice little occasion perfume. And I really, really love the combo with the Golden Sands perfume oil. I'm telling y'all that if you like one, you need to get the other. Like, these two is gonna last all day. I promise you. Next up, we have a pairing that is honestly one of my favorites, and I'm super happy that I picked this up. Why? Because I feel like this is the perfect nighttime scent. And that is the Al Rahab perfume oil in the scent Sandra. I'm not sure why I got the name, but like Sandra is that girl, okay? If you like powdery scents, jasmine, floral scents, then you're gonna love this perfume oil. So Sandra is a very like me scent. Like, it's powdery, it has amber, it's fruity, and it's sweet. She's like a jack of all trades, honestly. Very unique, but it's still like nostalgic for some reason. In my head, this like reminds me of Fantasy by Britney Spears. If you guys like remember wearing that growing up, like this just gives me the same vibe. A little goes a long way with it, and with this one, I feel like the dry down is more floral than it is like powdery or anything like that. It's more floral and it's more sweet, the dry down. So that's the only thing with these perfume oils. Like, yeah, like smelling it like that, like you could kind of tell, but the dry down, for me at least, varies a little bit, as with most, you know, perfumes and stuff. But Sandra, really, really like. So if you liked Fantasy by Britney Spears, or if you like ambery, powdery scents, then you're gonna like this perfume oil. So they all run along the same price on the website, like $6 something, but I'm telling you guys, I got a steal when I went to like my local like farmer's market thing. Like, when I say farmer's market, like it's not like a farmer's market that you're picturing in your head. Like, I live in a really diverse area, so these markets are like, you can get literally anything. They have great deals. They have a lot of like imported goods. So if you need like a specific item from like your country or from a certain area, like you could find it there. Like, these are more of like a trading merchant vibes than I would say market, but that's just what we call it in my city. These are small businesses as well. So like whatever I'm purchasing, I know it's going to support them, their businesses, their families, etc. So if you, instead of ordering online, you could check out these shops and you're going to find some gems. So in my mind, what I would pair this with is, of course, one of my favorite nighttime scents, and that is Moonlight Path. I know you guys are tired of me mentioning this on my channel. Like, I'm sure you guys are, because I mention Moonlight Path all the damn time, because it's honestly one of my favorites. Like, floral, check. Powdery, check. Sweet, check. Like, these two are quite literally my favorite pairing. Like, I know I said the word favorite like a million times in this video, but like, I'm just happy with my purchase, okay? I'm just really happy with these. These two together are great. So this is a body spray, obviously not a perfume, but since the perfume oil lasts quite a long time, you don't always need to pair these with perfumes. So if you're interested in seeing a video of perfume oils and body spray combos, let me know, because you already know I don't need another reason to shop. I don't need another reason to like buy more of these. So if you want, comment that down below and I will of course make another video. But that's all I have to say in this short little video for today. Thank you so much for making it to the end, and please consider subscribing as I make content pretty frequently now. But thanks so much for watching. It means a lot. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
It's like keep holding on to this present time, inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky, applying to the forces above this life.